How to make your own emoji on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to make your own emoji on Android, simply launch the Google Chrome or any web browser that you have on your device. As you do that, tap on the search bar and search for Emoji Kitchen. So here it will give you this result. So just tap on the option of Get Cooking. Now as you tap on Get Cooking, you'll be landed into a new page over here where you'll be able to see you have to select two emojis to create your own. So I'm going to select on a emoji over here and then select another emoji on the another page of another line over here. While combining, it will turn out to be this one. Now you can just change it according to your wish, and if you find or if you get the emoji that you wanted, then you can just tap on this copy icon and it will be copied, and then you can send it to whoever you would want. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.